Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 107 Laravel 11 create blade file using command example. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP my admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel 11. This is my database available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project Lara underscore real estate. This is a project is available. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this run this project run this project directory inside this cmd open means command prompt open. This directory inside this is my project directory inside this command prompt open PSP artisan server and enter. PSP artisan server enter. Copy this URL and paste this browser. Successfully working fine. This project is working good. Let's /admin login. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login good. Successfully login is good. This is working fine. This project is successfully working fine. Let's inside this is a cmd as it is working good, but this my project is available inside this cmd is working fine. Let's minimize again this new cmd open this cmd. This directory inside this cmd open. Inside this is a new folder is not available. Let's new file. This directory inside this source reshoot inside this view. Let's inside this is a new file is a create. Let's new file is a index.blade.php1 file is a create. This view inside this not available, and this command is available PSP artisan make view index only index. This is a not available index. Let's create this is an index. Same here, copy and paste here inside. This is a paste. This is not paste, this paste. This is a cmd open this new cmd as it is a working fine. This is this new cmd open and paste here. This is a paste and enter. This successfully created. This is a index blade PSP successfully created. This is a project inside resource view and index blade PSP successfully created. Let's this is an again this. Let's check this again. This file is open successfully created. Let's next is again this file is a create error solution code, and this same here copy. And again this paste here inside this paste here inside this one file is a create view inside, and this paste here. This is a created this error solution code dot blade PSP. This is a create. Same here. This is a working fine. This command is a working fine. Let's same here new folder inside. This is a folder inside this file create. Let's folder inside this file create. This is a command only sense. This command folder name is a implement. This is www, and inside this list file is a create. This is a this is a folder create. This folder is not available www. Let's this first of all this www folder create. After this file create. Same here copy and inside this paste here. This is a paste. Successfully this is a create www folder. Inside this file is a create. This is a list file. Successfully this is a list file is a create. This command is available. This command inside this is a available list folder. Let's inside this edit file is a create. The same here copy, and this is a edit file is a create. Let's this www inside this edit file is a create. This command is available PSP artisan make www.edit create. Let's edit, enter. Successfully this is a edit file is a create. This is a command is a working fine. This is a command inside this folder inside this create. and only this is a file is a create. Two command is available. This folder wise create and this is a command is only file wise is a create index. This is a Laravel create blade using command example. Let's check this my project. Resource inside this view inside this is available. This is error blade PSP index, and this W inside this file is a create. Let's remove not use this project, and this is only testing demo. This not use remove, and this W is a remove not use. This project is a not use. This is a successfully delete inside. This is a delete. Good working. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube, Telegram and WhatsApp and Skype is always available. New website development, so please contact, and please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This is a video is done only simple way, not a extra way, only simple. And this PSP version, check this PSP version, this PSP version PSP V. This is my mistake, spelling mistake. This is a PSP version is 8.2.11, and after this composer is installed. First of all, this composer is installed. Composer. This is a composer version is a latest version. This is a composer. Good working this composer. This is the latest version is available 2.7.9. This is the latest version. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.